Today I will discuss how to install GitLab Enterprise in CentOS 7. At first we install the dependency for GitLab. Here we install and configure necessary dependency. I can just show it is not command, just install and configure the necessary dependency. Here you can see the install the dependency. It's already installed. Then clear. We can recheck the dependency already installed. Now we can install next dependency, and we can allow the firewall or GitLab HTTP and HTTPS, the both command running successfully. Next we install the postfix and the email notification for GitLab. The command is here yum install postfix. We can show the postfix already installed in OS. Now we can enable the postfix. Then we start the postfix service. Now we can add the repository for GitLab. We can add the GitLab Enterprise. If we install the commercial, then we see showing in GitLab. Adding the GitLab package. Generating EM cache for GitLab Enterprise, because the cache in use when the version upgrading in the future. Generating EM cache for GitLab Enterprise is done, and you show the necessary setup. You can add the packages. Now we can install GitLab Pacific version. Now we install the 7.16.7. 7 point, then we press enter. Had the some mistake XTL adding in the install button. How we can show the GitLab package installed. It can taking few times. Here the showing the ETA 2 minutes, but the download is speed quite better. The install size 2.8 GB, but it can taking times. The ETA show 1 minute. If your internet speed is slow, then it is taking more times. It can taking 20 seconds. After the downloaded complete, the GitLab packages automatically install. Nothing to do anything. Just wait. After the press yes to adding the GitLab GPG key. The running transaction is succeed. Now it is showing the GitLab installing running. It takes more than 1 minute. If you install the community edition, then you add a package in community package. If you install the GitLab Enterprise edition, you must need to license file for running. It's almost in the ending of the package installation. The installing package and the logo for GitLab Enterprise. Then we need to configure the GitLab URL for login URL. We just adding the GitLab configuration file. Here is the show etc gitlab.rb file, and we vim editor not find, we install the vim editor. Then we edit the external URL with the GitLab login URL. We can show the my VM from the config command. We can paste the URL and save the external URL. Reconfig the GitLab. It is the taking mass 3 or 5 minutes time. It's depend on the hardware configuration. It is the automatic process. Don't anything or escape anything. Then the installation and database may be garbage. And make sure that the data connectivity between your PC and server must stable. This process GitLab reset the whole configuration by self and necessary database SQL run by this process. If the any function error or anything garbage, it can show in the red mark. You can show the GitLab database migration. It is taking so much time. Every time you can anything change in configuration file, then you need to run the GitLab reconfigure, and every time it's taking the huge time for configuration. The installation is complete. Then you need to reset the root login and the etc GitLab initial the root password. This is the initial password, and you can show the GitLab status. The all service run successfully. Nothing is. We can show the GitLab installation file for elinks. Elinks is the Linux browser for the terminal. We can install the elinks. Then we paste the my GitLab URL. Um, we can add links. We can copy the exact URL of my PC. We can show that the GitLab interface edition install.